Hello there again, this is forexbrokers.net, and this video continues the series of 6 videos dedicated to flat patterns. In the first part, we've introduced the concept of a flat. It is a 3 waves structure. It is a 3 in the sense that it is labeled with A, B, C, and waves A and waves B are corrective, while only the C wave is impulsive. It can either be a classic or a terminal impulsive move, and the B wave is mandatory to retrace beyond 61.8 out of wave A and to end beyond 61.8. Also, as a simple correction, wave A cannot be a triangle, neither the B wave can be a triangle. And the types of the flat patterns, 10 types, are given by the length of the B wave, but also the length of the C wave. This part, we move on with this part that is dedicated to one type of flat that is called flat with a weak B wave. And we'll go like this. In a flat with a weak B wave, we have wave A, which obviously, as this is the generality, or these are the general things to consider, and now we talk about the type of flats. Wave A obviously is corrective. The B wave retraces between 61.8 and 80% of wave A. No more, no less. So the key here is to find out the 61.8 level when retracement when compared with wave A, 80% retracement when compared with wave A, let's say something like this, and then maybe a bit lower, something like this, 61.8, 80%. And the B wave, so minimum distance for the B wave to retrace is 61.8. So B wave should end between these two lines. The inability or the inability, of the B wave to retrace beyond 80% tells us that this is a weak B wave. So in this category with a weak B wave, a B wave that ends between 61.8 and 80% of wave A, there are 3 flat types in this first category. And the types of the flat comes from the length of the C wave. Remember here, wave A corrective, wave B corrective, wave B retraces between 61.8 and 80%. These are flats with a weak B wave. And then, depending on the type of the C wave, we have the type of a flat. The length of the C wave, we have the type of the flat. First, if the C wave fails to retrace more than 100% of wave A, like this, this is called a flat with a double failure. What does it mean, double failure? Well, one failure is the B wave's inability to move beyond 80%. Another failure is the C wave's inability to fully retrace the B wave. So 2 failures, this is called a flat with a double failure. C wave cannot be that short, so expect for it to retrace 61.8 at least when compared with wave A. So flat with a double failure, the first type of flat in this category. Another type of flat in this category is that when the C wave, and we make this one like this, when the C wave goes and retraces wave A fully, but not much more than 123, 138.2, let's say something like this, 123.6. So between 100, 123.6, this is the end of the C wave. If the C wave's length, the impulsive wave in the C wave, ends into the territory, that is called a flat with a weak B wave. So with a B failure. So we have a flat with a B failure, a flat with a double failure. And the third type is when the market, the C waves, retrace more than 161.8 when compared with the length of the B wave. So all you gotta do is to measure the B wave, find 161.8, and the market exceeds the 161.8. In that case, the market forms an elongated flat. Elongated flats, as you will see, are very common, and they appear on all categories of flats regardless of the retracement level of the B wave into the territory of wave A. So as a review here, we have the category is called flat with a weak B wave, then a flat with a double failure, a flat with B failure, and then an elongated flat. What's important moving forward with flats, and I emphasize this on the article that comes with this Trading Academy, is the fact that whenever you see the name failure part of a flat pattern, then that is a sign of counter trend strength. So if this is an A, B, C, a flat with a double failure, expect a strong market reaction into the opposite direction. If this is a flat A, B, C, a strong with a B failure, expect a strong opposite reaction into the opposite direction. Obviously, the flat with a double failure is much more powerful than a flat with a B failure. Of course, that the market also forms, this is a flat that corrects a bearish trend, but if you have a bullish trend, the market may form, for instance, wave A, wave B, retracing between 61.8 and 80%, wave C, wave that fails to take these lows here, and then because it is a sign of a counter trend strength, it explodes higher in a strong third wave, usually of an impulsive move. These are the flats in the first category, and moving forward we will look at the other types of flats together with some examples. For instance, I can give you a hint that this is an elongated flat. Let's see if until we will discuss its secret and intricacies, let's see if you can find out the category that it fits into. Bye bye.